S2 or Location 2 is the key manufacturing plant in the Dehn Group. My name is Christian Köstler. I'm the COO of the Dehn Group worldwide. That means manufacturing and logistics for the global market. It's about 24,000 square meters, 240,000 square feet of highly efficient workspace with AGVs, automatic guided vehicles, and state-of-the-art robotic systems. We had a strategy called Dehn 2025, and we had to think about how to supply markets worldwide. This was a stepping stone for us to go into the new century to supply our customers better in the future. So when we started that journey, we were looking for optimized, ergonomic, optimized workstations. We concentrate on what we can do best, focus on the assembly of our critical components to make sure we have the best possible quality. The employee feedback in the new location is very positive. They can work smarter, not harder. We were looking for reducing waste in regards of transports between workstations. We went into a flow pattern on the assembly lines to make sure we have the best possible setup. Tradition means without past, there's no future. So you need to incorporate your DNA and put it forward. Location 2 is highly efficient for environmental reasons. We have 1.25 megawatts solar energy on our roof. We have a green roof to retain the water longer. We have cooling and heating done efficiently, so all year around you have perfect climate within our workplaces here. Our strategy 2030 will double our revenue stream, and Location 2 is a cornerstone to make sure we will achieve the sales goal. I'm very optimistic, and I'm glad to be able to face such opportunities. And with that great team, I'm sure we will be able to master it.